Hey everyone, welcome to Honest Healthline. Today we'll be discussing something that most people are not even aware of. The FDA's GRAS rule, also known as generally recognized as safe. Imagine strolling through the supermarket, your cart overflowing with colorful packages promising delicious and healthy food. You scan labels, checking for ingredients that might be unhealthy. You feel confident you're making responsible choices. But what if those ingredients you thought were safe are not actually safe at all? Many ingredients in foods today are approved by the FDA's generally recognized as safe ruling. But what does GRAS really mean? First, we need to travel back to 1958. The post-war era saw a boom in processed food, with companies eager to add new ingredients to extend shelf life and enhance flavor. Congress, grappling with how to regulate this rapidly evolving industry, passed the Food Additives Amendment. This amendment introduced the concept of GRAS, exempting certain substances from the rigorous testing required for new food additives. The logic? If an ingredient had been used commonly in food prior to 1958 and was generally considered safe by experts, it could bypass the FDA's testing. A few decades later, in 1997, the FDA introduced the GRAS notification program. This program allowed companies to independently determine if a substance was generally recognized as safe. While companies could voluntarily notify the FDA of any safety concerns regarding their products, they were not required to conduct any mandatory testing. From a business perspective, the GRAS designation is a dream come true. It allows companies to introduce new ingredients quickly and cheaply, avoiding the lengthy and expensive FDA approval process. This translates to higher profits and a competitive edge in the market. So basically, companies are allowed to determine the safety of their own products. Sounds like a conflict of interest, right? So why is this ruling so dangerous for consumers like yourself? Well, today, there are over 80,000 chemicals that have been released into the market, yet only 1% of them have undergone safety testing. Numerous substances that have been granted the GRAS status have later been found to pose health risks, often after years of widespread use. Take, for instance, brominated vegetable oil, found in soft drinks, potassium bromate, that was used in breads and baked goods, and pyridine, a chemical extracted from coal tar that was used to flavor food products. It wasn't until lawsuits and new scientific data came out that these ingredients got banned. This reactive approach leaves the public health at risk of potentially deadly chemicals. The GRAS loophole has not gone unchallenged, though. Consumer advocacy groups and legal experts have long criticized its lack of transparency and potential for abuse. Several lawsuits have been filed against food companies using GRAS ingredients, alleging misleading marketing and consumer deception. A recent high-profile case involves one of the most iconic candies of all time, Skittles. In 2022, a class action lawsuit was filed against Mars Incorporated, the company behind Skittles, claiming the product is unfit for human consumption due to the presence of titanium dioxide, a substance linked to DNA damage and classified as a potential carcinogen. While titanium dioxide has been banned by the European Food Safety Authority and several other countries, the FDA still labels it as generally recognized as safe. These cases highlight the alarming risks posed by the GRAS rule and how toxic ingredients and known carcinogens are in products people eat every single day. Consumers deserve to know if harmful chemicals are present in their food. All products should undergo mandatory testing before being released to the market. The FDA needs to step up and start doing their job by prioritizing public health over protecting billion-dollar corporations. Let's demand for stricter regulations for the safety of ourselves and future generations to come. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. On your journey towards honest health, may you discover a life enriched with wellness and prosperity. Keep learning, stay healthy, and remember, let's be honest about health.